My name is Joey Neal. I'm VP of Digital Products here at MakerBot. We oversee all the development of MakerBot Thingiverse, MakerBot Desktop, firmware, MakerBot Mobile, and MakerBot PRINTSHOP. We've got a master calendar. We know what we're going to deliver for the next number of months. But from time to time, we also hear things from the field, and there could be something that's sort of brought to our attention that we need to take a look at. A good example of that would be Z offset. We noticed that extruders were clogging at the start of a print. Folks needed a little bit more variable control, so we quickly started to craft a solution that then became a feature set. With MakerBot Desktop 3.4, now that we've built out what I'll call the plumbing of our platform, we've got remote monitoring, printing. That's really wonderful. MakerBot Desktop works with all the products in our ecosystem, but it also is backwards compatible with all of our printers. MakerBot Desktop will have an auto update feature. We'll have a notification that says, hey, you've got a new update available, just quit your application and we'll install it for you. One of the interesting things about when we release our software like MakerBot Desktop is that most of the time there's also some firmware updates that go in tandem with the features that MakerBot Desktop has to offer. So it's important when you download MakerBot Desktop that you're updating your machine to the latest firmware release to enable those features. One of my favorite features of our future release of MakerBot Mobile is true remote monitoring and printing. I can find something that's cool on Thingiverse that's new or from my library, take a look at the onboard camera on my printer, and start a print. So the whole idea was to be able to have a one-to-one connection with your printer. It works over your cell phone network or in your home over Wi-Fi. We would like to improve MakerBot Mobile with having a richer preview setup. We've made it really easy for you to print stuff, but maybe you want to scale something or put 2 items on a plate. So we will be investigating having a prepare mode similar to MakerBot Desktop. We're also really excited about the MakerBot Innovation Center platform that we've built. It's a software platform that allows MakerBot Innovation Center owners like Florida Poly to manage all the printers that they have in their center and to be able to see the status of all those printers at any time. It's a great piece for tracking automation and just making things easier. PRINTSHOP is optimized for 5th generation printers so that it can print directly from the iPad to the printer without having to go to MakerBot Desktop. We give them the power to be able to make some of their own custom 3D models like vase maker or jewelry like bracelets and rings. We take the guesswork around all the print preparation and we make it really easy for users to create their own content without having to know 3D design skills. It's really accessible. Thingiverse, it's an amazing source of inspiration. There's hundreds of new things every day. We make it very easy for folks to find something and just sort of hit print and go. And there is a dedicated Thingiverse iOS and Android application. So we reach a broader audience at Thingiverse by hosting challenges and connecting with other partners. So through that, we get to expose 3D printing to different niches. At the same time, we get wonderful content that all of our users can use. So Thingiverse is the first place to go to see what's being made, what's popular. What excites me about my job is really just to set a strategy of something that you feel you want or you need or your customers want, and then really watching the team bring them to life and improve it and make it better.